Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to verify your FACEIT account, then this video is for you. First thing you have to do is go to the faceit.com and log into your account with your account credentials. Now when you are logged into your account, you have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from here you can find this account settings option. Simply click on it, and from here you can find your account details, all the account details. Make sure you have added your email address. You can add your email address here, your language, your time zone. You have to set the time zone from here. So select the value from here. For example, I'm going to select the time zone like from here. I have the time zone from here. For example, this one here, save preferences. Now here you have to do is turn on this two-factor authentication. Simply click on edit and turn on the two-factor authentication. Get it started. Now you have to enter your password. Simply click on next, and yeah, you have to scan this with your authenticator app, and you will be able to add the two-factor authentication. Now you have to turn on or get started. Next again, and you can scan it just like this. Now here you have to add the personal data or the address here. After adding the address, you have to do is make sure that you are connected with the CS2 or OW or CS2 game or OW game. So as they asking here, like, let me show you. If you find this option here, you can find the verification option where you can find that you must need to connect with OW2, CS2 or Dota 2 games, any of the games here. So you have to connect your account. So right now I'm on CS2, where if you click on Party Finder or play any of the tab from here, you can find connect game option here. So simply click on connect game and you can find CS2 here. Now if you have played CS2 or you are playing CS2 or you are installed CS2 through Steam, so you have to simply click on connect Steam here. Now it will help you to connect your Steam account here. So there is no CS2 right now on my Steam. Yes, actually I don't have it because my Steam in this system, this is a demo account of my Steam. So you have to do is when you have downloaded the CS2, you can find the verification option where you can verify yourself. Like it will like show you this get verified button at the bottom of the page here. So after connecting the CS2 account or the Steam account where you have installed the CS2 game, simply click on get verified, where you can find their terms and conditions, accept their terms and conditions, and you have to answer the question that this is my main account, this I'm not wearing glasses, I have the, if you this is actually for the you can say preparation, so don't wear glasses, and I have the actual ID document in hands because you just need a government issued ID documents for verification. I'm using Chrome or all of the supported browser. Make sure you are on Chrome, Safari or Edge or Firefox. Now simply select all of this from here and simply click on confirm, and you can find there is two ways that go through the verification process or confirm your identification. So first thing is document capture. So you have to do is scan the QR code. You have to simply click on the verify button, and you can find a QR code where you have to scan this QR code, or after scanning the QR code, you have to do is when you scan the QR code, it will open up your camera where you have to place your face in front of your selfie camera, and you have to follow the on-screen instruction and capture your face movement. Then you have to do is document capture, where you have to take a photo of both sides of your valid ID, government issued ID. Then you have to post it or probably or send it to the verification team or post it. Then you can be verified within 1 or 2 days. And here is the face capture only, so you can get verified only with face capture if you don't have the document on hand. So you can only capture your face and you are good to go. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.